Hi, welcome back
to Moose Tips and Tricks. I'm Cindy.
And I'm Josie.
And we work at Moose Roofing, a roofing company based in Omaha.
And today we're going to be sharing 10 things that we learned in 2024 as we entered the roofing space for the very first time. Let's get started.
Let's start with the first one, the importance of regular roof inspections. We learned that homeowners often wait too long before inspecting their roofs, leading to more severe damage down the road.
Number 2, the impact that extreme weather has on roofing materials. In Omaha, in 2024, we actually had 3 extreme storms that we learned firsthand how these storms can affect your roof and especially the roofing business in general.
We learned that poor attic ventilation can lead to a variety of roof issues. Without proper ventilation, moisture buildup can cause mold, rot, ice dams, interior water damage to drywall, and significantly reduces the life expectancy of the roofing materials.
Number 4, we learned just how essential gutters are to the health and longevity of your roof and home. Gutters actually play a crucial role in maintaining the health of your roof and overall home. They do this by directing rainwater and melting snow away from the roofs, walls, and the foundation of your home.
We learned about ice dams and how they can affect your roof. Ice dams can lead to roof leaks, compromised shingles and roofing materials, gutter issues, damaged attic insulation, increased mold and mildew risk, and harm to fascia and soffits.
Number 6, we learned about the various roofing materials. Roofs can be made with a wide range of materials, each with its own pros and cons. Asphalt shingles tend to be the most popular due to their affordability and the ease of installation.
Number 7, we learned about the lifespan of a roof. Most roofing products are expected to last 20 to 40 years per manufacturer's specification. This can be significantly reduced in regions that experience extreme differences in seasonal weather conditions. As your roof ages, it becomes prone to damage or natural deterioration of the materials caused by exposure to the elements. Regular inspections are essential to ensure the roofing system is in serviceable condition.
Number 8, we learned that roof maintenance can prevent premature replacement. Regular roof maintenance, such as cleaning gutters, replacing damaged shingles, and checking on flashing, can really extend the life of your roof. Proper care prevents wear and tear, which can delay the need for a roof replacement, which can actually save you money in the long run.
Number 9, we learned DIY roof repairs can be risky. Major roofing repairs should be left to the professionals. Roofing can be dangerous, and improper repairs can worsen the issue, leading to more expensive repairs down the line.
And lastly, number 10, choosing the right roofing company is critical. The right roofing company ensures quality installation, materials, and long-term reliability, while poor work can lead to expensive repairs down the line. To find the right company, check reviews, verify licensing and insurance, and make sure that they have experience and offer warranties. I don't know about you, but if it was me, I would choose Moose Roofing. In 2024, we've learned a lot about the roofing industry, from the importance of regular inspections and roof maintenance to understanding the impact that weather can have and the proper role of ventilation in your roof. These lessons have reinforced how crucial it is to take care of your roof and choosing the right company for long-term reliability.
Thank you for joining us once again on today's episode of Moose Tips and Tricks. See you on the next.
Peace.
Bye.